Check out this question. When you travel in Himalayas, you will see the following. A. Deep gorges. B. U-turn river courses. C. Parallel mountain ranges. D. Steep gradients causing landsliding. Which of the above can be said to be the evidences for Himalayas being young fold mountains? This is a previous year prelims question. In next year's question there is a great chance to replace the Himalayas with Atlas or Andes. To answer them perfectly you need to know in and out about landforms. There are many more questions. Stay tuned in this series on landforms to know more. Before going to the subject, we heartily welcome you all to the e-Gurukulam. Landforms topic comes under Geography, which is in GS1 and slightly in Disaster Management in GS3. Let's briefly discuss about landforms and how they are classified into. A landform is a feature on the Earth's surface that is part of the terrain. Every landform has a beginning, and landforms once formed may change in their shape, size and nature slowly or fast due to continued action of geomorphic processes and agents. By virtue of geomorphology, they can be classified as first, second and third order landforms. First order classification is divided into continental and oceanic landforms. Firstly, continental. Classification of continental landforms, which is second order, are mountains, plateaus and plains. Whereas in the case of oceans, second order classification is divided into four subdivisions, which are continental shelf, continental slope, oceanic basin and oceanic deep. Then these major landforms are again classified into minor landforms, which is third order landforms like peaks, gorges etc. in the case of continental, and islands, atolls etc. in the case of oceanic landforms. So this is majorly the classification of landforms. In the next video we will discuss about first and second order landforms. Thanks for watching the video. e-Gurukulam signing off.